So I now have attached a method to a class. We've already seen examples of using a method on a class, like for example right here on line 27. We use the add method. The add method is a method that comes from the list class. So now that we've added a method to our own class, we can now use it very similarly to how we use the add method on our lists. So instead of saying print product product, I can now say product.display. Same thing for down here. I can now say product.display. And I can remove my print product method because it's no longer used. So now when I hit F5, we get the exact same behavior. So what's going on here? So this is actually, this is very important to understand what's going on here. We have added a method to our class. By adding a method to our class, every object that we create of that class will have this method.